guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious sticky toffee pudding along with this delicious toffee sauce served with vanilla ice cream. This sticky toffee pudding is a classic British dessert said to have been created in a pub in northwest England, and it is also popular throughout Britain and Canada, Australia and New Zealand. This dessert can also be served with custard, whipped cream or even clotted cream, or you can have it with any of your favorite flavor ice cream. It is one of my personal favorite dessert. You should definitely try this at home and you will definitely love this recipe. It is basically a hot dessert served with hot sauce and a cold ice cream, and the combination of hot and cold is absolutely amazing in this recipe. So now, without wasting any time, now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 240 grams of dates and roughly cut them. Do not worry about the size, just roughly chop them and leave it aside. Then add 180 ml of boiling water and gently mash it with the fork. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then take a large bowl. Add 150 grams of room temperature butter. Add 140 grams of brown sugar and 30 grams of dark Muscovado sugar. Beat the butter and the sugar until nice and fluffy, something like this. Then add 2 beaten eggs. Add half at a time and beat it again until smooth. Then add the remaining egg and whisk it again. Then make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl nicely for even mixing. This is a very important step, so make sure you do this. Then whisk this again for a minute. Then add 180 grams of plain flour, but add half at a time. Add half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then whisk it again. Make sure you gently whisk it, otherwise the flour will spill out. Then add the remaining flour and whisk it again until nice and smooth. Then add the soaked date which was previously made, and then whisk this until nice and smooth. Then scrape the sides of the bowl so that the mixture is nice and evenly mixed. This is a very important step, so please make sure you do it. Then whisk it again for another minute until nice and smooth. Make sure the batter is nice pouring consistency. See, make sure the consistency of the batter is something like this. Then simply pour the batter in a jug. Then take the aluminum foil tin cups. Make sure the size of the cup is something like this. And then pour the batter in the cups. Also make sure you do not overfill the cups, because while baking the cakes will rise up. So please make sure you leave enough room for it. Let me show you. The cup should be filled something like this. Then bake it at 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Then to make the sauce, add 80 grams of butter and whisk it until the butter is melted. Then add 180 grams of dark Muscovado sugar and whisk it for about 2 minutes. Then add 250 ml of double cream and keep whisking it until it starts to boil. Then when it starts to boil, simply reduce the flame and whisk it until thick. Make sure the consistency of the sauce is something like this. Then add a pinch of salt and give this a nice mix. There you go, the sauce is ready now. Then check on the cakes which was in the oven. Use a small knife to check if it is cooked right in the center. If the knife comes out clean, then it means it is cooked. Then to plate the pudding, simply place the hot cake in the center and pour the toffee sauce on the top. Make sure the cake and the toffee sauce is very hot. Be generous with the sauce because there is lot of flavor in the sauce. Then add some sweet cookie crumb just to hold the ice cream and serve it with vanilla ice cream. You can also serve this with custard or clotted cream or any of your favorite kind of ice cream. There you go guys, the recipe is ready now. I hope you like this recipe guys, and if you like the recipe then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing and delicious recipes in the future. And do try this recipe at home guys, you will absolutely love this. It is one of my personal favorite recipes, and if you try this recipe it will also be one of your favorite recipes. And also I have so many other recipes on my channel, so please do have a look guys. And thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.